Ibanez GRX70QATRB 6-string electric guitar, transparent red burst. Ibanez builds guitars for all levels of players, from beginners to the most demanding masters of the instrument. Regardless of price, Ibanez always strives to offer the absolute best sound, style, and playability in its class. It is this mindset that has earned the GRX70QA its place as one of the most popular startup guitars of all time, responsible for launching numerous musical careers around the world. The GRX matches classic good looks with the Ibanez eye for detail. Its poplar body is adorned with a handsome quilted maple art grain top, and maple neck features a treated New Zealand pine fingerboard with white dot inlays. High-output Infinity R humbucker pickups provide delicious driven tone, courtesy of a 5-way selector switch that provides access to whatever tonal palette you need. A T102 tremolo rounds out your stylistic weaponry. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below now.